Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can make an object go along a path or a track in Adobe After Effects, a motion graphic program that you can use to bring objects to life. Let's start a new composition. Click here and then set the resolution and the duration the way you want it, and the frame rate as well, and then click on OK. Make a text by clicking on this icon, the uppercase letter T, and then type anything, for instance, stylish, just like this. Stylish. Alright. Stylish. Add some more, such as stylish animation, for example, just like this. A text has been created. Now all we have to do is to make a path or a track that this text will go over. So click on pen tool just like this and then make a curvaceous line just like this, for example. And then when you're done doing so, make some tweaks so that it doesn't look sharp. A path, a track has been created. All we have to do now is to make this text go along this path that we just created. Go under this layer and then select text, go under text and then go under path options and change the path into mask 1. Just like that. Isn't it easy? You can adjust the spacing of the text or the letters by clicking on the arrowhead next to Animate and then click on tracking just like this. Adjust the spacing just like this. And then when you want to animate the text, click here again and then click on position just like this. And then set a keyframe by clicking on the stopwatch button here to determine the starting point of the text, the stationary point of this text. Drag the X point just like this, for example. And then you want the text to move within this duration and then it stops at 10 seconds. Drag the time indicator until it's at 10 seconds and then drag the X point again just like this until the text is no longer visible just like this. Now we can play it. See, the text is going along the path that we just created. It may turn into this. Doesn't it look cool? That's it for the tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!